Today we are going to move a awesome application which is recently introduced by Automa for desktop automation. You can build your automation by just drag and drop method. In left hand side you can see its block, conditional blocks, if statement, if for multiple, if for web page content, and so on. And here it's loop for iteration through your list of elements. There are different kinds of loop. In a wait block, simple wait will be used for just as a delay block, wait for element for web page element, and here wait for element for window element because it will be interact with your window, wait for image and wait for file. Here is a loop for similar item and get elements from web page. In web automation, you can open here web page, get web page, and click on element, mouse over element. That's the effect. Fill text, just type as a movement. Here is a submodule of web automation. Drag and drop, wait for element, fill password, select drop down option, and so on. You can explore here lot of elements. There is lot of activities which you can perform here. There is a software automation. Get specific window, get list of windows, and so on. Here are few activities which you can perform by your mouse. 5 keys: click mouse, move mouse, get mouse position, scroll mouse, click on image, move to the image, and start simulation. And data table simply used as a pandas library of Python. You can fill your data into table. At last, you can export it or use it for other purpose. There is a lot of activities which you can perform with your data table. Basically, it's given in a bottom of your window. That's in Excel module of Automa. You can perform different activities with your Excel file, like open file, get open Excel workbook, and save Excel workbook, and close, export, and loop through the sheet to perform some action to the element of sheet. Here is a read write submodule of Excel sheet. Here is a advanced submodules of Excel sheet where you can perform run a macro, refresh Excel data, and so on. You can explore yourself. Dialog log. You can use a dialog log to inform a user to display any type of information, or sometimes you will use it to interact with the user. Activities like sometimes you will get an input from your user and then use it into your workflow. Data processing. There's a lot of variable type which you can set variable, generate a random number, text, extract from text, convert list to text, and so on. There is a lot of activity which you can perform to your text. And here a list, it's a simple list, looks like a Python list. And you can say also array in JavaScript. Here is a dictionary. It's basically dictionary in a Python, which is similar to the JSON object. Date time. You can perform different things with your date and time. In a OS module, you can run here different command like a run DOS command. That's basically run on a command prompt of like I'll type here into your workflow and put here which you want to run your command and test it. After test it, and here you can see a result of your command. Further, you can explore here file submodule of OS and copy, move, rename, and delete, so on. You can explore it and folder, get a subfolder, open folder, create folder, and here it's a clipboard. Copy onto your clipboard and get a data from clipboard. Flow module, and here you can run subflow of your module like it will be a main workflow, and you want to run a subflow which you have been created into your workflow. You can use this block to run it. Call function. You can make a function of Python. Exit this flow. Use exit this flow. It will be used to exit from the current flow. And here is a network module where you can retrieve your email, and send HTTP request with the download, and use a FTP, which is basically file transfer protocol. Open here FTP connection, list of FTP server directory, change working directory, and so on. There's a lot of activity which you can perform. This awesome feature is that you can run your custom Python script. That's a custom Python script, command, print, export log, and so on. And even you can build database connection with a submodule of database. Connect to database, execute SQL statement, batch insert to database, and close database. PDF that will interact your PDF file. Extract text from PDF, extract images from PDF, extract pages from PDF, and merge PDF file. Here is a Word which is used to interact with the Word file of Microsoft Excel, which can perform a lot of activities like open, export, read document, write document, position cursor in Word document, move cursor in Word document, replace text in a document, read a table from Word document, and insert an image into Word document. Error handling. That's the most reasonable part of your automation. That's error handling. To catch your error and take action according to these activities. At the end of this video, we'll explore how to build automation by just record feature of Automa. Just press here record, press F4 or just press this button. Now I'll record my activity. First I'll double click here, I'll search here and then open this image. Now I'll press on done. Now we'll see how it's work. Let's move on. See, you can see that it's working perfectly. Yeah, it's working correctly. I hope you are understand why it's important for web application and window application to automate your process.